The Essure is right for women who are sure that they're complete with their families. It's non-reversible, and you need to be on some kind of a alternative birth control method for 3 months until we have a confirmation x-ray. We'll have you come back into our radiology department and we'll do an x-ray, which takes about a half an hour, to make sure that the tubes are in fact closed, and then you're done. So for only a 3-month period of time, you only have to do an overlap. After that, it's 99% effective. Not only do we offer procedures for women of childbearing age, but we also have procedures to help women who are having other problems in their reproductive health. Some of those issues might be incontinence issues or problems with heavy bleeding. And we do have procedures that we do in the clinic to help with those as well. So we try at this clinic to help women live well throughout every stage of their reproductive health.